Biological age can be defined as the state of decline or the state of divergence that your body has undergone as a function of time.
Aging is inevitable, or at least that's what we've always been told. Wrinkles appear, energy fades, and our bodies slowly become less resilient. But what if aging isn't just a passive process, and what if science could actually slow it down, or even reverse some of its effects? Researchers across the globe are uncovering the complex mechanisms behind aging, from cellular decay to genetic signals, and they're beginning to find ways to intervene. Today, we're exploring the science of why we age and the cutting-edge discoveries that may redefine what it means to grow older. The role of telomeres. At the heart of aging lies something called telomeres, tiny protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes. Imagine the plastic tips at the end of shoelaces. They prevent fraying, and telomeres do the same for DNA. Every time a cell divides, telomeres get a little shorter. Eventually, they become too short, and the cell can no longer divide, entering a state called senescence. Scientists have linked shortened telomeres to diseases commonly associated with aging, like heart disease, diabetes, and even some cancers. Interestingly, lifestyle factors can influence telomere length. Studies suggest that regular exercise, a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, and stress management may slow telomere shortening. Some experimental therapies even aim to lengthen telomeres using an enzyme called telomerase, potentially rejuvenating cells. While the science is still in early stages, understanding telomeres gives us a glimpse into the very clockwork of life. Cellular senescence and zombie cells. Cells that stop dividing but refuse to die are known as senescent cells, sometimes called zombie cells. They accumulate as we age, secreting inflammatory molecules that damage surrounding tissues. This chronic inflammation is a key factor behind many age-related conditions, from arthritis to Alzheimer's. In recent years, researchers have developed drugs called senolytics that target and remove these zombie cells. Animal studies have shown remarkable results. Aged mice treated with senolytics experienced improved heart function, increased lifespan, and better mobility. While human trials are still ongoing, the potential is enormous. By reducing the burden of senescent cells, we may not just slow aging, we could enhance the quality of life in our later years. Imagine a future where your cells feel younger, your tissues are healthier, and you move through life with more vitality than ever before. Mitochondria and energy decline. Mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside our cells, are crucial for life. They convert nutrients into energy, keeping every organ functioning. But as we age, mitochondria become less efficient and more prone to damage from free radicals. This decline leads to fatigue, muscle weakness, and slower metabolism. Scientists are exploring ways to rejuvenate mitochondria. Compounds like NANTA boosters and coenzyme Q10 have shown promise in animal studies, improving energy levels and cellular function. Researchers are also investigating mitochondrial transplantation, a process where healthy mitochondria are introduced into aging cells. While these interventions are experimental, they highlight a profound truth. Aging isn't just about wrinkles. It's about energy at the cellular level. Maintaining mitochondrial health could be the key to feeling younger from the inside out, giving your body the power it needs to thrive well into old age. Epigenetics. Rewriting cellular memory. DNA is often described as our blueprint, but genes aren't the whole story. Epigenetics, chemical modifications to DNA, regulates how genes are expressed. Over time, these epigenetic marks can shift in ways that accelerate aging. Remarkably, scientists have discovered ways to reset these marks, effectively reprogramming cells to a more youthful state. Experiments with mice have shown that partial reprogramming can reverse some aspects of aging, restoring organ function and extending lifespan. While the process is complex and not yet safe for humans, it points to a future where aging might be more flexible than we ever imagined. By understanding epigenetic patterns, we could potentially slow the clock or even rewind it, giving cells a fresh start. It's a radical idea, the possibility that the passage of time isn't as irreversible as it seems. The power of caloric restriction. For decades, scientists have studied the effects of caloric restriction, eating fewer calories without malnutrition, on lifespan. Across multiple species, from worms to primates, reducing calorie intake has consistently extended life and delayed age-related diseases. Why does it work? Lower calorie intake triggers cellular stress responses that enhance repair mechanisms, reduce inflammation, and improve metabolic efficiency. Some compounds like resveratrol and metformin mimic the effects of caloric restriction, activating pathways that promote longevity. While extreme dieting isn't necessary or advisable for everyone, the principle is clear. Our bodies have built-in systems for longevity, and we can influence them through diet. Even small adjustments like intermittent fasting or reducing processed foods may help slow the aging process and improve overall health. The role of exercise in longevity. Exercise isn't just about appearance. It's one of the most powerful anti-aging tools available. Physical activity helps maintain muscle mass, strengthen bones, and enhance cardiovascular health, all of which decline with age. But the benefits go deeper. Exercise stimulates the production of mitochondria, reduces senescent cells, improves insulin sensitivity, and even influences epigenetic markers. Studies show that regular activity can add years to your life and decades to your health span, the period of life spent in good health. High-intensity interval training, resistance exercises, and even brisk walking have all been shown to activate longevity pathways. In other words, moving your body doesn't just make you feel younger. It actually rewires your cells to resist aging. And the best part, you don't need to train like an Olympian. Consistency, not intensity, is the secret to staying youthful at a cellular level. Sleep, the body's rejuvenation engine. Sleep isn't optional, it's essential. During deep sleep, the body repairs tissues, consolidates memories, and flushes out toxic proteins that accumulate in the brain. Poor sleep accelerates aging, contributing to wrinkles, cognitive decline, and metabolic disorders. Researchers have linked disrupted sleep with shorter telomeres and higher levels of senescent cells. Prioritizing quality sleep can therefore slow cellular aging and improve overall health. Techniques like maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, avoiding blue light before bed, and practicing relaxation rituals can make a huge difference. Think of sleep as a nightly reset button for your body and brain. Without it, even the most advanced anti-aging therapies may struggle to work effectively. Protecting your sleep is not just about feeling rested. It's a foundational step in extending both lifespan and health span. Harnessing the microbiome, the trillions of microbes in our gut don't just influence digestion. They affect inflammation, immunity, and even aging. Studies suggest that a healthy microbiome is associated with longevity, while imbalances may accelerate age-related decline. Diet plays a crucial role. Fiber-rich foods, fermented products, and diverse plant-based meals nourish beneficial bacteria. Emerging research even explores fecal transplants from younger individuals as a potential way to rejuvenate the gut and improve health in older adults. While still experimental, these findings highlight the profound influence of our gut ecosystem. By caring for your microbiome, you may not only improve digestion, but also slow systemic aging, reduce inflammation, and enhance cognitive function. In many ways, your gut is a hidden engine of youth. Feed it well, and it will return the favor. Cutting-edge anti-aging technologies. Science is racing ahead with innovative approaches that sound like science fiction. Gene editing, stem cell therapy, senolytics, and epigenetic reprogramming are just the beginning. Companies are developing treatments that target the root causes of aging at the cellular and molecular level, rather than just treating symptoms. Clinical trials are underway to test drugs that extend health span, and some early results are promising. While these technologies aren't yet widely available, they represent a fundamental shift. Aging may soon become a modifiable process rather than an inevitable decline. The idea that we could actively intervene in aging, enhance quality of life, and extend healthy years is no longer pure fantasy. It's approaching reality. For the first time in human history, the line between natural aging and scientific intervention is blurring. Aging has always been seen as unstoppable, but science is challenging that narrative. From telomeres to mitochondria, from senescent cells to microbiomes, researchers are uncovering ways to slow or even reverse aspects of the aging process. Lifestyle choices like exercise, diet, and sleep already provide powerful tools to stay youthful, while cutting-edge therapies promise to redefine what growing older means. Aging may never be completely avoidable, but its impact doesn't have to dictate the quality of our lives. Imagine a world where living longer doesn't just mean more years. It means more vitality, more clarity, and more joy. The science is clear. Aging isn't just a matter of time. It's a series of processes we can understand, influence, and in many ways slow down. The question now isn't just why we age, but how far we're willing to go to age better. The future of longevity is bright, and it's closer than most of us think.